Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn queue. Okay, so here you can see queue import. We are going to learn built-in queue module in Python. So here you can see import Python built-in queue module and giving it in alive queue. Okay, so here this is a built-in module in Python, so we don't need to install anything. So direct we can import and use it. Okay, so import queue as a queue. So creating a queue object with the maximum size of queue. Okay, so here you can create a queue number of queue like how many lines you have for first in first out. Here we take maximum size equals to 3. Okay, so custom queue equals to queue dot queue max size. Okay, so print custom queue dot empty. Okay, so check the queue is empty or not, so you can use print custom queue dot empty. Okay, so this is the object for built-in Q class. Sorry, Q class. Okay, Q dot Q. So here I am going to use built-in custom Q dot empty. Built-in empty function that returns true if it is empty. Otherwise, it returns false. Okay. So here we can enter the element by using put, adding into elements by using put. So custom dot put one, custom two dot put one, custom two dot put two, custom two dot put three. Okay, so it add one, two, and three to the queue from the back side. Okay, so this one, and check if the queue is full. So you can directly directly input it like print custom directly you can directly add like this print custom q dot get and custom q dot full means it is a full. Okay, so because we added three items, so three items which is a max size, so our output is true, so it's return true. Okay, and removing due to the first element from the queue. Okay, so custom dot get first in first out. Okay, here we can remove first element and checking how many elements are still in the queue. So you can see queue size. Okay, now I am going to run this file number 3. Here we can see the result. uh, just for first one, uh, checking if the queue is full, it return true because it reached maximum size and we took max size equals to 3, so it returns true. Okay, and remove the first element from the queue, it returns true here also. And checking how many elements are still in the queue. Okay, so this is the size, queue size true, and removing the first element, this is the one, and queue is full, this is true, and queue is empty uh, at initially, so this is true. So I think ये आपको समझ में आ गया होगा और now we can move Dequeue also, which is also inbuilt function in Enqueue. So my laptop, okay, okay, this is going. My laptop has been discharged. Okay, from collection import queue. Okay, importing queue from Python collection module. DQ stands for double and queue. Okay, it allows a fast append and pop maximum length equals to 3 means the queue will hold at most three element. Okay, printing the empty queue DQ. So print custom queue output equals to matching empty. So custom dot append custom queue dot append one, custom dot append q2, custom append q3. Okay. So these are the methods for adding the element one by one into the queue. Okay. And this is used for adding fourth element because we have three elements. So this remove the oldest. So adding the fourth element when max length is 3, so it will automatically remove the oldest element first in first out. Okay. So print custom queue and print custom dot custom queue dot clear it is used to clear and doesn't return anything. Here you can see custom queue. So I think I need to run. Okay, here you can see first I got output empty and max length equals to 3 and append these elements. Okay, and print custom queue on this one 2 3 4 and max length equals to 3. Okay, and here this is your 4 also custom queue empty for this one printing queue after the clearing. Okay, so empty list empty queue and maximum is equals to 3 after clearing. Okay, and this will print none because print equals to custom queue dot clear. Okay, here you can see print custom queue. This is the custom queue and max length. Okay, so I think you got it. This is the DQ from the collection, and you can see uh, this is also a built-in module from Python. Okay, so importing queue from the multi-processing module. This queue used when you want to share data between multi-process. Okay, and different program running in the parallel. So here you can see from multi-processing import queue. Okay, so custom queue equals to queue and max size equals to 3. Creating a queue object with a maximum size of 3. Okay, so here we took maximum size equals to 3. Okay, so here you can see from multi-processing import queue. Okay, and custom queue equals to queue maximum size equals to 3. Custom queue dot put one into the queue. Okay, so we are going to put one into a queue. Okay, so remove the queue, the first element from the queue. Print custom queue dot get. Okay, so first in, first out. Okay, so I need to run this file. Guys, you can see we get only one because uh, hold this print removing the first element from the queue. Okay, so this is general one. Okay, guys, so this is the built-in module from Python queue from multi-processing import queue. Okay, import queue from the multi-processing module. So these are the built-in module, and this is the this is the also built-in module from collection import queue, and this is also built-in queue. Okay, so um, these are the built-in modules in a Python of queue. Okay guys, please do like, share, subscribe. Bye bye, take care. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.